Okay, my friend, today I'm going to share with you something that probably sounds super obvious, but I feel like we could do with a reminder. Just like every now and then, we need to know that our thoughts, the thoughts that we think inside our own head on a daily basis, really need to sound like our best friend, like our biggest cheerleader, the ones that ideally lift us up in life, versus feeling as if you have your own worst enemy or an inner critic living inside your own brain. Okay, that's going to totally drive you crazy because you've probably done the work in your life to make sure that you cultivate a family that you love and a social circle that really lifts you up and inspires you and encourages you. You've probably done the work to make sure that you're removing any toxic friends from your social circle, and you probably set really clear boundaries. But if you have done all this amazing work and then at the end of the day you go to bed, and in the silent, like the quiet of the night, the voice that you hear inside your own head tells you all the things that you've done wrong, all the reasons why you can't achieve your goals, all the reasons why you're destined to fail, rather than like obviously hearing an alternative voice which is uplifting you, which is telling you why you are strong and why you're resilient and why you can actually achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve, because you are like strong enough and brave enough and resilient enough to take those actions. There's going to be a difference in how you show up every single day, depending on the quality of the thoughts that you think inside your own head, because the quality of your life is always going to be dependent on the quality of your thoughts, my friends.